Hello and welcome to this video on performing a hypothesis test on the mean when the population variance, or equivalently the population standard deviation, is not known. And we're doing this with JMP. Because the population standard deviation is not known, we'll end up using a t-test with a t-statistic. So let's start by opening a data file. In this hypothesis test, we'll determine if a machine that's supposed to be filling cans to a weight of 12.2 ounces is performing correctly. We have the weights of 20 cans, and let's create a hypothesis test to determine if it's filling the cans correctly. To do this, we go to Analyze, Distribution, choose the column in which our data resides. Then we go to this drop-down menu to Test Mean. We want to test whether the mean is equal to 12.2 ounces. We'll leave the true standard deviation blank so that JMP will do a t-test. So we scroll down to our test, and you can see that it shows the value under H0, the actual sample average, the t-statistic, and then these three values are p-values associated with a two-sided test, a one-sided upper test, and a one-sided lower test. And it even gives us a plot showing the areas that correspond to the p-values. The area that corresponds to the two-sided test would be this area and this area. The area that corresponds to the one-sided lower test is this area, and the area that corresponds to the one-sided upper test is the area from 12.15 up this way. So as you can see, our p-values are all relatively large, which means that our data does not support rejecting H0. So with that, we'll conclude this video on how to do a hypothesis test on the mean when the population standard deviation is not known using JMP. Thanks for watching.